Before designing the landing page, having a wireframe will help us understand and see the website beforehand, thus saving us time in the long run. For instance, it's easier to make changes at the wireframe stage than having to make those changes after deploying the site live. An easy way to think about it is as follows. Just as houses have blueprints before they are built, wireframes serve as a blueprints for websites. Let's go back to the Figma community, press on wireframes. Let's search for a minimal wireframe kit. And this one designed by a person called Bonnie Hong looks good as it has a lot of reactions. So let's get a copy by pressing on this get a copy, which will automatically duplicate that to your Figma. So once we have it open, if we go to assets and open components, we can see that we have an avatar, primary button, and everything we need to get us started with wireframing our website, which we will cover in the final project section of this class.